Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Raydium using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win an iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and on the top of the screen here, you can see that you can either buy or receive Raydium in Trust Wallet. Then go to search, start typing and when you tap on it, it's going to generate your own QR code, and with this QR code you can receive Raydium in your Trust Wallet, or you can just tap on copy and it's going to copy your Raydium address and you can receive coins this way. Now the second feature, the set amount feature, is a very cool way. Here you can type in a set amount of Raydium and you will receive a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of Raydium coins, which is a really cool feature for payments or transactions. And obviously with the share icon, you can share your QR code on social media or any other platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.